Hello everyone. My name is Meenu Sharma from Nursing Department, Clinical Instructor in RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus. Today my topic is hand washing. What is hand washing? Healthcare associated infection, also referred to as nosocomial or hospital infections, an infection occurring in a patient during the process of caring in a hospital or other healthcare facilities which was not present or incubating at the time of admission. These include infections acquired in the healthcare facility but appearing after discharge and also occupational infections among healthcare workers of the facility. Prevention of healthcare associated infection. Validated and standardized prevention strategies have been shown to reduce HCAI. At least 50% of HCAI could be prevented. Most solutions are simple and non resource demanding and can be implemented in developed as well as in transitional and developing countries. Why wash your hands? Hand washing is the single most effective way to prevent the spread of communicable diseases. Hand transmissions. Hand are the most common vehicle to transmit healthcare associated pathogens. Transmission of healthcare associated pathogens from one patient to another by healthcare workers hand requires the my five moments of hand hygiene approach. First one is before touching the patient. Second one is before clean and aseptic procedure. Third one is after body fluid exposure risks. Fourth one after touching a patient, and fifth one after touching patient surroundings. Why should you clean your hands? Any healthcare worker, caregiver, or person involved in patient care needs to be concerned about hand hygiene. Therefore, hand hygiene concern you. You must perform hand hygiene to protect the patient against harmful germs carried on your hands or present on his or her own risk. Protect yourself and the healthcare environment from harmful germs. Hand washing can prevent good and washing can prevent disease such as syphilis, E. coli, streptococcal diseases, influenza, and the common cold. How to clean your hands? Hand rubbing with alcohol based hand rub is the preferred routine method of hand hygiene if hands are not visibly soiled. Hand washing with soap and water essential when hands are visibly dirty or visibly soiled. Alcohol hand rubs require less time, can be strategically placed, readily accessible, multiple sites, all patient care areas. Remember to wash for 20 seconds. Always use soap and water. Save lives, clean your hands. Thanks to everyone.